Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to draw Super Mario in 4 different art styles. First art style is going to be glitch effect. In this effect, you are gonna need a black marker, red marker and a blue marker. And you also need a white gel pen. If you don't have it, you can also use a whitener. Make lines from red marker from right to left and also do the same step from blue marker from left to right. Now it's time for the second art style. It is cartoon effect. In this effect you just need to color your drawing according to your reference image. If you want to improve in art, you can just Google or go to Pinterest and search for cartoons, and you can practice every day. Remember, practice makes man perfect. Here I am coloring the mustache with a brown marker and then I am outlining it with a black marker. Our third art style is going to be drip effect. To learn how to do drip effect, you can check it out in many other YouTube videos. If you want me to post a tutorial on it, you can comment it. Don't forget to subscribe because it supports my channel and my artwork. If you want to check out more videos, then go to the channel and go to the playlist. There you will find a list of all the artwork I have done. Our final art style is going to be pixel effect. The only thing you have to do in this art effect is that draw your grid lines from top to bottom and left to right and then color it. Last step is to trace the grid lines which you have made in the start with an outliner. And that's it. If you want to see more amazing content, like, share and subscribe. Bye.